Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Karabiner-Elements and profiles step by step clearly. Open your Mac and ensure that Karabiner-Elements is closed. Locate that applications folder on your Mac. Open the applications folder and find Karabiner-Elements. Click and drag the Karabiner-Elements icon to the trash bin. Next, you need to remove the configuration files. Open Finder and select Go from the menu bar. Choose Go to Folder from the drop-down menu. Type in /library/preferences and press Enter. In the Preferences folder, look for any files that begin with com.pqrs. Select those files related to Karabiner-Elements and move them to the trash. Now, return to the Go menu and select Go to Folder again. This time, type in /library application support and press Enter. Find the Karabiner folder and drag it to the trash. Next, search for any remaining preferences. Open Go once more and choose Go to Folder. Type in /library/launchagents and press Enter. Look for files that start with org.pqrs. Move those files to the trash as well. Now that you've removed all configurations, it's time to empty the trash. Right-click on the trash bin and select Empty Trash. Karabiner-Elements has now been successfully uninstalled from your Mac. If you have any profiles you created, ensure they are deleted from any backups if necessary. You have completed the uninstallation process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.